All right, so to finish the wrench, modeling the wrench, I will create the other end of the wrench. Um, so we have where we stopped before, we had the ring, we brought in the ring, and we now want to bring in the other part, make a hole. We're going to use the polygon. Now we will use, probably best to use a six-sided polygon. Okay, so we click on that and then we make it six. It's already six, right? And then we want to size it. So we right click on the mouse, and we're gonna move so we can see what we're doing. We move the work plane, right? So we can get a better view. And then we're gonna change this to become a hole. So we click on that, the polygon, and we click left click on the polygon, left click on hole. And we're gonna now put it in the ring to make a hole. So we're gonna move it. But we're gonna move it and put it right in the ring, okay? So we move it, um, probably best to align it this way. Okay. So we left click on this. Now I think it's better to be where we to align it. So we'll move it over here, and then we click on the ring. Left click, hold it down, shift, click on the hole of the polygon, and then we remove your hand from shift and then click on align. Click on align. That was mirror, sorry. Click on align. So it's asking you how you want to align it. So we're going to click on this. We want it to align this way. So they align this way. We can now move this one. Now move the whole part. Click on the whole part. And all right, we click out of that. We move the whole part. We put it in the ring as just like where we want it, like that. And then we can click align again to make sure that they're aligned perfectly well. So we click on this one and hold shift, click on that one, and we do align again. And I think they're already aligned. That's gonna go on align it. Okay, and then we go to join. Click on join. Click on this, hold shift, click on the hole, and then we click on group. So you can see the hole is already in that part of the wrench. So now we want to join the handle to that part. So we're going to move this one, move it closer to the work handle part of it. And then we are going to align this one and that one, okay? So but we want to fuse this into that. So we move this one until that one, the handle part of it goes a little into the ball part of it. And then we can align and fuse together. Now you're aligning because you want it to be perfectly in the center, right? So we left click on this one, hold shift, left click on this one, go to align again. Exactly that's where we want to align it. So we'll click the center part of the align button, this one. So now they're aligned, and then we can group together. So when we group it, now we have a perfect wrench ready to so that's our wrench. Now, how I want you guys to save it, like I said in the assignment, the task description of what you're supposed to do. So you want to, now what you can do, you can click on that button to stop it. When you stop it, it's going to ask you what you want to do. Do you want to save it onto Screencast-O-Matic, or do you want to save it as a video on your on? It gives you a couple of options. One of which is save it as a YouTube video. So, like I said, it's better to save as a YouTube video because then it's easier to bring it Screencast-O-Matic. I think you got to have an upgraded version for it to easily upload from that. So I'm going to save it as a YouTube video like I did the previous one, and then from the YouTube video you can open your videos on YouTube from the left side, where you have the options to pick on what you want to do on YouTube. You pick your videos and then you can look for it. It's going to pop up. Then you can play it, copy like you're sharing it, copy the link, and then paste it on your assignment submission for this assignment. Okay, so I hope that helps, guys. Okay, all right. Look forward to seeing you again when we have our next meeting. Thank you. Bye-bye.